economic life. Charlie?
Well, I suppose the one time when a single mother might want to own gold compared to anything else is if she faced conditions like a Jew in Vienna in 1939, or, I mean, there are conditions you can imagine where some form of transportable wealth would be useful compared to anything else. But absent those extreme conditions, I think it's for the birds. Now, silver.
It's hard to think of anything other than fleeing the country.
Right.
And Charlie and I don't give a lot of thought to fleeing the country, although I must say that the one thing I really find reprehensible is the people that make a lot of money in this country and then leave to, get in other tax jurisdictions or something like this. I really, I don't